So why am I at a zoo here on this coaster and card game channel? I'm gonna start using that coaster and card game content. Magic Cove. By the way, it says the amusement park. Title twist here is the park's new for 21, actually new for this week practically. Like, this thing is so new it literally opened up days ago as the time recording this. They're small, I want to say custom, spinning wild mouse. If you look at it, there's actually like one set of switchbacks up there, smaller drops, and spins there. But yeah, this is actually still a pretty fun ride. Packs a lot of spin. Quick tip on this, the employees told me to sit on the far left, I believe? Yeah, far left, just like getting as good as far as you can, and you get a good spin on it. Just watch it going right here. Actually, no, that's a horrible spin. We'll get a good spin later. Of course, the first animal I'm going to see here is the giant doggo. Please do not feed the wildlife, especially not sanitizer. Alright, so quick Karen mode, real quick tip for today. You see the main reason to come here in the first place in the background. Pay attention to the ticketing options on the website or in the front of the zoo, wherever you go to get them. The ticket I bought was $35 that let me into the zoo and onto attractions, I thought. No. That lets you into the water park, not including the rides, and you do need to keep that ticket with you at all points in time. To get on the rides, you need a wristband, which is another $15. So, in order to do all the rides, in order to go into Zumbizi Bay and all that stuff, it's a total of like $50, 16 including parking. But what you could do if you don't want to use Zumbizi Bay is just like $12 admission into the park plus the thing. So like real quick, so you guys don't get duped the way that I just did. In order to ride stuff, you do need a wristband. It's not included with any sort of admission. Tornado themed spinning coaster. I'll count it. Close enough. Put up the graphic. Another cool title twist fact is that this is actually built over the old plot of land where the old log flume used to be. Kind of sucks because I do love a good log flume, but like you can see right here, this is some of where it was. Back there is part of the lagoon. You can see some supports back there. Zoom in real quick on this.
You want to ride that with me?
You can see some old footers back there from supports. And actually, if you turn around right behind me, this now, I guess, just cooling structure. I don't know. It's the old station for ride. You can see right there the operating booth and all that. So pretty cool recycling of the parts, but rest in peace, log flume. Log flumes are fun. It's a spinning wild mouse. Looks like we got some tracking action here on Sea Dragon. Fun fact about Sea Dragon, this is actually the oldest operating roller coaster in the entirety of Ohio. So this park not only has the newest coaster in the state, but also the oldest one. Goes over this lazy river section, which is why the line's so randomly weird. Yeah, small coaster kind of looks like the ones at Kings on Kings Dominion, all those little family coasters. Except it's got a lovely little station break there. Totally old school. Fun ride, has a little bit of airtime in it. Definitely worth checking out. Oldest coaster in Ohio. quick fun fact while I walk through all these kind of generic flat rides they have here. But this park used to be part of a park called Wyandotte Lake, which opened in sometime late 1800s. I don't have the exact numbers on me, but they went SBNO for about a year in 2006, right before Columbus Zoo was formed. You guys know any of the details about Wyandotte because it's a super ancient park? Comment down below, let me know. But yeah, basically the zoo and the park integrated. Now this Jungle Jack's Landing, as it's called, is part of the actual zoo. Quick update, I was allowed in the water park after talking to Gift Relation and a couple of things later. I'm not going to go into details, but yeah, it's good to know that I was actually able to get my money's worth out of it today. But I'm gonna keep that brand out front. I'm gonna keep it out front so you guys know. Little PSA. Yeah, right here is really the only reason I came into the water park. It's a couple cool slides, but we're busy, so I'm only gonna do one thing. This is the sign back there. I'll get in a second. Python and Big Boa something. Python plunge, there we go. It's a little water cruiser complex, which unfortunately is only able to get on this yellow and pink one. Purple's the actual traditional water coaster that has uphill section, but I wanted to go on this one. It's got like one of those big walls back there and a little speed hill. Really cool looking ride. Unfortunately, it's a two-person raft, so I can only do the one. If you guys enjoy this kind of coaster content, make sure to support the channel by checking out my page on TCG Player, and also use code SKYRIDGE to save 15% off on all of your Raise Energy purchases. Definitely helps to get me tickets for this kind of stuff, especially when I get to a place like this that charges for separate admission to get into the zoo and to ride the rides and stuff like that. Yeah, be sure to check out our affiliate pages down below. Links will be there. Like, subscribe to all that fun stuff. A little disappointed on Falcon Fall. It's just a standard Mozo drop tower kind of ride, but this seating arrangement looks really unique. Got a whole two-row, slightly elevated kind of thing. Would have been fun to try out if it was operating. Next time, Land Down Under, home of dinosaurs. Puppysaurus Rex.
I would laugh you when you spit water at you real quick. Some of them will. What is this thing? Why ain't none of them scared? It's a dinosaur. Why are they scared of us? Why do you sound like a...
Pretty sure that's Godzilla. I gotta say, Dino Boat Ride is definitely the highlight of the trip here. I mean, not as good as Jurassic Boat Ride at Gatlinburg or anything, but like, good theming, especially like look at the station compared to anything else here in the park. Actual shaded theming and all that. And of course, plenty of Dino animatronics, both on and off the ride. So definitely a big plus here at this Zoo of Columbus. Check it out if you're here. It is kind of cool how some of the ticketed attractions like this carousel, boat ride back there's a train somewhere in the distance I'm not going to show because there's a lot. This is a big zoo. Not enough time to show everything off, especially on day like today we're super busy. But yeah, it's quick tip I guess, if you just want to get on one thing like the carousel or whatever, they do sell individual tickets. I just opted for the rides wristband because let's be real, I'm riding rides. I do have to say that this zoo is absolutely massive. I'm talking like this centerpiece right here. It's kind of like the hub centerpiece. I find myself running around it non-stop just trying to get everywhere. You can see Africa section back there is Asia, blah blah. Way back there is the how you get to reptile / aquarium area / Dino Island, whatever. And of course over here's the park. Yeah, this place is massive. Like, honestly, you need to spend a full day here to find if you actually want to see all the animals, not just go ride some stuff. But I'm gonna go ride some stuff real quick before I leave. Get one last ride on Vortex Part 5 over there because it looks like it's finally running again after being down for like an hour or so. Be a good way to end the journey here. So that's gonna do it from our visit here to Columbus Zoo. I can say words today apparently. And BC Bay / whatever it's called, Wyandotte Lake in the past, and all that fun stuff. I'll try and walk past this front entrance so you can see the full entrance sign. Yeah, very mixed review today, I guess. The park is cool. The rides are cool. What the rides they have, even though they're very much kind of fairground place down in the middle of nowhere, it's fine. It's a smaller park. They have 2 roller coasters, including the oldest and newest coasters here in Ohio, which is kind of cool. Definitely plus size. Here's the sign. You see it? There's the entrance sign right there. Yeah, zoo is absolutely massive. Like I pointed out that like I barely had time to see anything. I couldn't even see my precious cheetahs. I just wanted to see cheetahs today, guys. They're my favorite animals and our dogs. I'll show you cheetahs in another video. Columbus, Cincinnati Zoo, I guess. But yeah, huge zoo. Okay park, I guess. But like too many rides are broken down. Slash, I definitely pay way too much for a day. So financial things aside, you know how you can help us with financial things by supporting my channel. There's 2 ways to do that. I even have a Patreon for you guys. Just use my code for Raise Energy, good, healthier energy drinks, and they do plenty of other things. I've said plenty of before. Code Skywish down below, save you 15% off on any of your online purchases. Or if you guys played some Vanguard or other trading card games, check out my page on TCG Player, because I sell stuff there. Both those basically go towards funding things I do here, like park trips and buying more product and games show off. So win-win. Yeah, it's my visit from the zoo. I'll come back here again sometime, maybe during their Halloween event. Looks like they're doing Halloween events now, so might be worth to come back for that. It's like a 2-hour trip up here from me. Tram's parking. Where's the tram? Show off the tram. There it is. Yeah, until next time. Happy day after 4th of July, because that's when I'm recording this. And always embrace the infinite. Bye-bye. My beard's too long. I need to shave.